In a very exciting development, ChatGPT now allows you to upload and chat with your PDF documents without any wrapper. This new update has really rattled the startup market because there have been a lot of products and startups which were trying to build their business around this very feature. These startups were creating wrappers which would on the top of ChatGPT and similar model which would allow you to upload the PDF so that you could chat with them. Now ChatGPT has this feature by default after this update. Well, this is how the big players eat the small players, but that is how the things are. One of the interesting thing is that many startups which were doing that were having ARRs in seven figures. Now, the thing is that after this update, there will be more competition and the margin will be low, and hopefully there will be another competitor very soon which will give us the same option with ChatGPT is giving us, maybe for free. Now, it is easier than ever for developers to launch something like what they were doing with this wrapper earlier because AI is offering a lot of options here. But the thing is that as soon as someone launches that wrapper or something like that, the main software also catches up fairly quickly, like ChatGPT has done, and they offer the same feature. So the business model just really goes down the drain for these startups. Now, whether it is OpenAI taking this margin or niche competitors building on better APIs, similar products will probably move towards the cost of inference. I think instead of beating ChatGPT and OpenAI on features, companies should try to monetize this access and provide this freely to the users. And I think that is where they could just compete with OpenAI. Otherwise, it is not really feasible or really from the business point of view to compete with OpenAI. Now, once the initial idea is validated, if you have a new idea in mind for AI and if you have got it validated, then you need to find a semblance of product market fit, and then you need to expand into the adjacent problems. It could be as simple as supporting UX that's materially different from chat, or something as like data pipeline or a RAG pipeline or something like that. But remember this, time is the key. Market it, capitalize it, sell it, and then take your margins before someone else launches it. And that is what happened here with ChatGPT. Now, one thing you can already see that only ChatGPT Plus members can use it, not anyone. You cannot use it freely. So this is where maybe someone could find a way to monetize it while offering this free to the users. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any thoughts, comments, or ideas, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.